Hello friends, now I am going to teach you introduction of the AutoCAD basic tools, how we can use using very shortcuts, and how we can make easily the diagram by using the commands or tools. Just I'm going to teach you that this all commands, mostly 30 to 40 commands are there. If you learn this 30 to 40 commands, you can draw any diagram very easily using these commands. Now, first I want to explain that first how we can open the AutoCAD software. Already you know how we can open that AutoCAD. So one more time I want to show that. Just click here in Auto and go new, and here click a cat. Don't click anything because it will be changed, that depends upon the dimensions also it will change. And just for beginners it is use a cat and click and open. Next next you need to use the unit command. Just use the unit command, and if you want to give commands here we can use here also. If you want to give here we can type unit commands. Just I'm typing unit command. Sorry, units. Click units and click enter, and here you can change the dimensions. Depends upon your diagrams, you can change the dimensions. For example, my diagram I want to make as a centimeters, you can make a centimeter. Click centimeters. Okay, now this is we have said that. And second one is, here one table is there. Just click the table here. Just how many you want rows and columns or whatever, here we can give here and click here. Now just make anywhere here. For example, just double click and just drag little big. Now here if you want to write your name, for example my name is Kamesh, and your system ID or roll number, whatever you want. For example, system ID 2020461777. Here. So now, for example, you here what is main purpose of this table? For example, your diagram is centimeters, so you want to make as a millimeter. Just you need to give units here. For example, 1 centimeter equal to uh, I am taking 1 centimeter equal to 10 mm, like this. Here you need to fill the what depends upon your units or whatever for you can give here. Now just I want to teach you this 30 to 45 commands are there, like draw commands and modify and annotation. This mostly in mostly we are using these commands only. If you know these commands you can draw any diagram easily. This is all the main important commands. So dear students, it is better to practice on this all commands. If you practice this all command once or twice, we can draw any diagram easily. Now see, I want to explain that first one by one. First we are coming to line command. If we click line command, here it will showing dimensions or for example now I'm drawing. Here you can make as a angle wise. For you don't want to angle, then click F8 command. It automatically it will come ortho, like either 0 degrees or 180 degrees. So for example I want to make one line, for example 10 centimeter. So click 10, click enter. Now if you want to make down, or if you want to come down, for example I want to make a rectangle by using the line command. Just click whatever dimensions as per 10 and 5. This is 5. I made one rectangle. You can make, otherwise I don't want to make a rectangle by using already rectangle command is there. You can use rectangle command also. Click here, single click and drag to here. Just move the mouse. Click for example 12 my length and click tab. Then it will going to the if you click tab only, it will go to the dimensions of width. If I click width, see, observe that, see how it is coming the width. So I am giving 6. So click enter, the rectangle is came, right? Polyline also, if you are continuous line, if you want to draw like whatever, you can use again F8 command and any angle, whatever. If this is the F8 command, you can use polyline command. Polyline command you can use. And one more, this is different types of circles are there. See, click radius and the center diameter and 2 points, 3 points, 10 radius. Many circles are there. Just I will explain 2 3 circle commands. You can practice remaining that. Let's. I'm clicking one. First one is center and radius one. So now I want to make one circle. Just I'm clicking here. Clicking. For example, 3. Just click enter. For example, if you want to 3 as a radius, it's a diameter. Then click here. Give 3 diameter and see how much it is. This is the difference between a circle radius and diameter. To try to listen carefully, guys, because most of the students are confusing here only. So when I just try to listen carefully what I'm explaining. So now 2 point circle, for example, 2 point circle, I am clicking 1 point here and 1 point here, automatically 2 point circle will come. So again, then like that 3 point circle, tangent, like that many circles are there. Just practice on this. We can automatically will got to know then how to use that. Even same arc also. For example, 3 point arc, 2 point arc, start, center. These all are commands. You can use 2 3 commands. You can use that is sufficient for you to learn this beginners. For example, I will show you one how to arc it. Just click 1 point here, one more point here. I'm clicking. One more point here I'm clicking. See how it is came. Clear? Now I told you how to draw rectangle and polyline. For here, for example, see it is asking here when you are clicking polyline command tool, that it is asking here that a number of edges. If number of edges it is asking, right? So if for example I want to draw as a pentagon, just click 5 and enter and drag, click mouse anywhere. See, this is very try to understand important. Inscribed in circle and circumscribed about circle means, inscribed circle means here for example, see this line it's showing na, that yellow color line, that it will consider the dimensions from here to from center to that corner. For example, now let's see one more tell, I will tell you. Now I have clicked again. I'm going to again same polyline, polyline, go and give 5 and enter. Now circumscribed about circle means, see here, if I see it is showing how it is showing, try to observe carefully. That yellow color line it is showing from edges to this dimensions it's showing. If you give whatever your dimensions, it will come like that. Clear? Now this tool and ellipse also there, elliptical arcs. You can for example center, take one circle ellipse here, from click here, see how it is like a helical, like for example, like you can say like egg type, you can say that circle we can make different ellipse type. We can use this is also same like that. Now we are coming to the hedge and gradient. So hedge means is nothing but just if you want to fill some color or anywhere. For example, I am filling here, you can change the color. For if you go here, you can automatically yellow color or whatever, depends upon. If you select any point also, for example, if you want to select this point, we can. If you want different color, then I will make. For example, here is different color. So no, I don't want like hatching type. If you want to like colors, completely solid color, then go again home and try to click escape 5 times 6 times, then the command will be refresh. So now click again hatching and gradient. See, if you want to color, you can change the color whatever you want. For example, here you want, you can, depends upon you, you can change the different color whatever you want. Here we can, you can select the any point also, you can click also, that is up to you. Now click close and click. Now go. Click again escape 4 times, 5 times. Here if you see, observe that it will command will be refresh and new command will be open. Right? Now how to use move command, copy command, this stretching. I will tell you now. Just try to listen carefully. That move command is nothing but just, for example, when you're clicking move command, here everything will be shown in that command bar. You need to observe carefully this command bar. For example, what is asking? Select the objective. For example, I am selecting this objective. Click enter. You should click enter. Then wherever click, then it will go. See, I'm moving. I want here. I want to move here. I'm moving here. No, same this pentagonal. I don't want to move. I want to copy one more. I want in this side. So same. What you will do? Just use the copy command. And what is asking here? Select the objective. Click here and enter. Then drag here. For example, you want here. See, here only if I will click F8, only straight line it will come, only straight, either 0 or 180 or 90. If no, I want some angle, I want to keep, means click F8 command again, wherever you want in 360 degrees, you can change anywhere, you can add, for example, I am putting here, one more I am adding here. Now, done. Now, move is done, copy is done. Stretching is also nothing, just for example, if same, that is also like type move command, just click here, wherever you want, you can keep there. You can stretch also bigger. Now, oh, rotate means is nothing but it rotate, we can object, we can rotate. For example, let me see this object. Click objective, click enter. See, here you can asking dimensions, whatever. See, here you can give angle or otherwise. For example, I want here. Okay, let me put here. See, you can rotate. Mirror, for example.